Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide thread post suggestion on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Now you can decide whether or not you want your post on threads to be shared on Facebook, Instagram as well. And on Instagram, you can see suggestion threads posts on your home on your timeline. But what if you don't want to see the thread post suggestion again and you want to hide that? It's a simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now, as you can see, there is an thread suggestion post on my Instagram and I want to hide it. You can just tap on the three dots on the thread post suggestion. As you can see, there is a three dots. You can just tap on that and you can see there is an option hide. You can just tap on that. So the thread post suggestion has been hidden. You'll see posts from thread less often after you hide the thread post suggestion. It's so simple, right? So that is how to hide thread post suggestion on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.